my channel. So today I wanted to sit down and I absolutely promise this is the last orange toned and warm toned look. I promise. I'll do something different next week, I promise. But I just wanted to sit down and play with it. I've really been loving the orange tones lately, and I've really liked the way all the looks have been coming out. So if you guys want to see how to get this orange and blue look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to take the CoastalScents 88 Original palette, and I'm going to take this this light orange shade right here, and I'm going to apply this in the crease of my eye. Now this eyeshadow kind of has a little bit of a shimmering effect to it, but not too much to make it super noticeable. But I am going to use this as my transitional shade, and I'm going to apply another shade right over top of it. But just building the color intensity up of this as I go and blending back and forth. So I'm going to take this slightly brighter orange shade, and I'm going to apply this right over top of that, like I said, to really build up that bright orange effect to this eyeshadow. And again, building this color intensity up as it goes so it doesn't look like too over the top, more than it already does. Then for my eyelid, I'm going in with this NYX Studio Liquid Liner in the shade Extreme Sky Blue, and I'm going to apply this as a secondary base slash a shimmer, if that makes sense. When I apply other shades over top of this, the shimmer is still going to peek through, and I really wanted a shimmering color, but the CoastalScents palette does not have one. So I'm going to apply these two shades from the CoastalScents palette, this blue one, and just mix my brush in both of those shades and apply it right over top of that liquid liner. Having that liquid liner down, like I said, with the shimmer allows the shimmer to still peek through underneath these shades. I love this CoastalScents palette to death, but the shadows can tend to be a little bit chalky, and using a secondary base really helps intensify the pigments in the colors. I'm then going to go in with Maybelline liquid liner, and I'm taking that on an angled brush because I can't control liquid eyeliner brushes to save my life. So I'm going to use this as kind of like camouflage for my false eyelashes when I apply them later. But I'm really taking my time because this is liquid liner. I'm really taking my time placing this so I get the placement to my liking and exactly where I want it to go. For my bottom lash line, I'm taking this navy blue shade from the CoastalScents palette and applying that to my bottom lashes and blurring that out and making it really kind of smoky and hazy as I go. Then this step is completely optional, but I'm taking this Colourpop cream gel color in the shade Puppy. Like I said, this is completely optional, but I'm applying this to my bottom waterline and completely out of frame. Good job, Britt. My bad. I'm then going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and I'm using Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara, and I'm really just applying this to my top lashes and lightly as possible because I'm going to use false eyelashes, and I'm going to apply those off camera because I can't do that without having the mirror like an inch from my nose. Yeah. So for my cheeks, I'm going to apply this NYX blush in the shade Pinch to both of my chicks. And you have to do the blush face because you can't apply blush without that face. It's just not possible. Then for my highlight, I'm taking this Colourpop Super Shock Pressed Pigment Pearlized in this shade Girly, and I'm applying that to the high points of my face. So the cheekbones, the temples, the eyebrows, the nose, the lip, the chin. Yeah, pretty much anywhere you want light to hit is where you're going to apply your highlight. It's fancy. For lips, I'm going to use this this is e.l.f. Studio Cream Lipstick Crayon and applying that to my lips. Now this was a little bit too light for my liking, so I'm going in with the Maybelline color Elixir in the shade Caviar Couture and kind of just dotting that on, and then I'm going to use my finger to just blend that out to deepen the color up and get it to where I like. And that's it. And that's it. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Also, please don't forget there is a full list of products I use, and I know this one's actually kind of short, but there is a full list of products I use down in the description box below this video. I love you guys very, very much. Don't forget I upload every single Friday, and if you want to be notified every time, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. I will see you guys next Friday. Don't forget, make good choices.